What's up, family? Ndewo. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, The Igbo Teacher. Afambo Edna. This is a YouTube channel designed for learning Igbo language and Igbo cultures. So if you're a beginner or you want to learn Igbo language as a second language, if you're an Igbo woman or Igbo man married to an Igbo, this channel is highly recommended for you. Come and learn Igbo in this channel. Isiokwu anyị tata bụ the 5 sense organs in Igbo language. 5 sense organs in Igbo language. Nke a na-akpọ Uche Ngwa na asusuigbo. So, before we dive into the topic of today, if you are seeing my face for the first time, you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. I see your likes, your comments, and I appreciate all that you are doing to promote this channel. If you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please, subscription is free of charge. Do me the favor of hitting that notification button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to be notified, to be hollered whenever I drop a new video. Ngwa ka ibido. Uche ngwa nke mbụ is anya. Eji anya afụ ụzọ. Eji anya afụ ụzọ. In English, we will say the eyes is meant for sight. The eyes is meant for sight. The second sense of organ, nke abụọ, that is the second, bụ imi. Imi, nose. Eji imi ama isi. Eji imi ama isi or eji imi anụ isi. Eji imi ama isi or eji imi anụ isi. That is, the nose is meant for perceiving smell. We perceive smells with the nose. It could be a good fragrance or the other way around. We perceive smells with the nose. Eji imi anụ isi. Ihe ọmụmaatụ. For example, ana m anụ isi oke nwụrụ anwụ. Ana m anụ isi oke nwụrụ anwụ. Uche ngwa nke atọ bụ the ears. You will not see it. The ears. The ears. Ntị. Uche ngwa nke atọ bụ ntị. Eji ntị anụ ihe. Eji ntị anụ ihe. That is, the ears are meant for hearing. Ears are meant for hearing. Uche ngwa nke anọ, ire. Ire. Eji ire amata ụtọ ihe. If you want to know the taste of something, you taste it with your tongue. So the tongue is meant for tasting. Eji ire amata ụtọ ihe. We use the tongue for knowing the taste of a thing. The tongue is meant for tasting. The last on our list is anụ ahụ. Anụ ahụ, which you can also call akpụkpọ ahụ. Ya bụ Uche Ngwa nke ise. Anụ ahụ ma ọ bụ akpụkpọ ahụ. Eji anụ ahụ ama mmetụ. Eji anụ ahụ ama mmetụ. That is, or meaning, the fifth sense organ is the skin. The skin is meant for feeling. We have come to the end of today's video. Thanks for all your support, all your likes, and all your comments. I sincerely appreciate all of them. See you in my next video. Gode.